This presentation is about the vacuum consumables in an infusion process. So what you see the gentleman doing now is they're applying the exterior perimeter vacuum. This particular product you can get along with others that are pre-made. It's got a vacuum tail on it, so you can see as this will eventually be bagged, you'll be able to float it up in the bag and keep a prominent vacuum active on the part the entire time. The other products that will then be installed, we've got the Infusion material. That's a surface flow medium with a bleeder on the peel ply aspect of it. That'll be across the bottom. We'll start the layup here and put the infusion material on there. Use the glue sparingly. People have a tendency to over apply the glue, and you can end up filling in the perforations that are on this bleeder lease. The material here just has a better tendency to give you uniform control during the flow process. A lot of times you'll use this on core that may not have cut kerfs in it. It also may be used for solid core with perforations to move the resin, across the linear flow pattern. What you see now is the branches that are going to be added to this thing. This boat will eventually be shot about 1:15 this afternoon. We'll put a bag on in about an hour and a half from now, do a drop-down test so you can confirm that you have good, secure vacuum on the part before shooting it. That's one of the most important aspects of infusion, is to do a complete drop-down test to make sure you have vacuum integrity. You've got to start out with a good mold. It's got good cosmetics because of the bag pressure associated with infusion. If you don't have a good mold, you're not going to get good cosmetics. A lot of these consumables can be pre-cut and kit. If you can do all that work ahead of time, it just saves you a lot of time on the shop floor. Once you have surface flow in there like this, and you've got these resin feed lines that have peel ply on them, they typically will not stay with adhesive, so it's just beneficial to sort of tape them in place. It's all going to come off. You remove the disposable materials anyway. And what you see now is they're just cutting the branch feeds to a given location that we want for this particular project.